Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their JBL headphones to a switch? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Insert dongle. Insert the 2.4G USB dongle into a USB-A port on your Nintendo Switch. Step 2. Turn on headset. Turn on your JBL Quantum 810 wireless headset by sliding the power switch upwards. Step 3. Pair headset. Wait for the headset to automatically pair with the dongle. The LED will glow solid white upon successful connection. Step 4. Adjust volume. Adjust the master volume on your headset to find your optimal sound level. Step 5. Test microphone. Test the microphone by muting and unmuting to ensure it works with your Nintendo Switch. Now you should be able to seamlessly enjoy your games using your JBL headset with your Nintendo Switch. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other JBL users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.